Hey everyone, Scoop Science here. So it's been a while since I've done a video like this, this being an updates video. Just thought I would take this time to kind of explain what's happening, say, with the satellite photo, and as well as some future video ideas that I have. So let's do it. Okay, so now starting off with the satellite photo, I have had some comments and questions on that, on some of my videos after that video. Basically, the people who were running this whole thing, they said the image was going to come out on early September sometime. They didn't have a set date, but still nothing. I believe it's the 25th today, the date of recording this at least. And yeah, that's coming into late September. So I did actually plan to make a video on that last week, showcasing the final image, but the people just haven't delivered yet. They keep saying it's still processing, but I don't know what that means. I don't know when it's going to come. I'm hoping at least a week after or 2 weeks after this video goes live, I will have that video out. Because in it, a few extra things happened. The way I explained how the week was meant to go in my satellite image video, it didn't actually go that way. There were a few things that kind of changed afterwards, which I would like to explain further in that video. Now, as far as future videos go, I got a couple of them planned. One of them being to do with artificial intelligence. Basically, I want to dig into some of that side, mainly because I'm also learning to code myself, and eventually I'd like to hopefully make my own kind of AI algorithm, potentially. But for that video, I'd like to dig into some already existing artificial intelligences, such as the ones developed by NVIDIA. I don't know if you've heard of, say, in-painting or something like that, where you can actually restore images or take things out of images using artificial intelligence. I'd like to compare that, say, with the content-aware tool available in Photoshop, and explain the differences there and why maybe it's even an unfair comparison. So that's kind of like a rough outline of where I'd want to go with that video. If you do think that is a good idea, however, or if you think it is a terrible idea, then please do let me know down below, just so I can kind of gauge whether or not I should go forward in making this video and doing the research for it. But also another video idea that I'm planning on doing is revisiting the Lowenhoek microscope. If you haven't seen it before, there will be a card in the top corner or a link in the description for this video. But basically, I made a pretty crude microscope based off of the design of Anton van Leeuwenhoek. And I would like to revisit that, potentially making a better microscope by using a smaller lens. I believe I can get that smaller lens from, say, a old CD player. So if I can get my hands on one of them, I will start building that, and hopefully you'll be seeing a video on that in the future as well. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm trying to stick to one video every 2 weeks. Now, I have just recently left one of my other day jobs, so hopefully that means more time for YouTube and making Scoop Science videos. But anyway, if you did make it to the end of this video, thank you very much for watching all the way through. And please consider subscribing so you can check out some of the videos that I have planned. And if you do have some video ideas that you'd like to see me try, please put them down in the comments below. Thanks very much.